I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain you what is quadrilateral and what are the properties of quadrilateral. Here, quadrilateral. You know what is quadrilateral? It's a simple closure figure formed by four line segments, right? Here, the word quadri. In quadrilateral, the word quad. What is meant by quad? It is originated from two Latin words, means it is four. And what about this laterals? Means it is sides. So overall quadrilateral is nothing but four sides. In geometry, a quadrilateral can be defined as a closed two-dimensional shape which has four straight sides. Okay? Quadrilateral or a polygon. Polygon with four sides. Now coming to what is polygon? Polygon is nothing but a simple closure figure formed by line segments, right? Or we can say a simple closure figure formed by four line segments. Simple closure figure formed by four line segments, or you can say simply a polygon with four sides is called a quadrilateral, right? Or you can say quadrilateral can be defined as a closed two-dimensional shape which has four straight sides. Here so many shapes we have in quadrilateral, children. These all are quadrilateral. Now we can find the shape of quadrilateral in various things around us, like in a chessboard, a deck of cards, a kite, etc. Coming to properties of quadrilateral, children, here this is a quadrilateral. The name of this quadrilateral is given A, B, C, D, right? How to read this name? A, B, C, D. We should go in a continuous order. You cannot read like A, B, B, C. You go in a continuous order. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D is the name of this quadrilateral. It has four vertices. What are vertices? Corners, okay? So it has four vertices and it has four angles and it has four sides, and if you see, these are the two diagonals. What is diagonal? You know, the line segment joining the opposite vertices is called a diagonal. So quadrilateral is having four vertices, four angles, four sides and two diagonals, okay? And coming to properties in this, first property is a quadrilateral has four sides, four angles and four vertices. Quadrilateral has four sides, four angles, four vertices, okay? Next property is a quadrilateral can be regular or irregular. Regular or irregular. Now tell me what is regular. Regular means a figure in which all sides are equal and all angles are equal, then we can say it is a regular, right? So irregular means opposite to regular, having different measurement, okay? Regular means having same shape, okay? Same sides, equal sides and equal angles, right? Now coming to third property, the sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. The sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So these are the properties of quadrilateral. Means first one, a quadrilateral has four sides, four angles, four vertices. A quadrilateral can be regular or irregular, and sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Now next I am going to show what are sides, what are angles, what are vertices in a quadrilateral. Now consider the quadrilateral ABCD, children. I am going to write here slowly what are vertices. So what are vertices here? Vertices are nothing but corners. So A comma B comma C comma D are the vertices. Coming to next, angles. So angles can be written with a single letter or with three letters. So first I will write with single letter angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Now how you represent angle A in three letters? Here you can write angle A as DAB or BAD. Always the vertex should be in the middle, right? So how you write angle A as your wish? DAB. Next angle B, how you write, children? You can write like ABC or CBA. Your wish. ABC. You should consider the middle letter. Always the vertex should be in the middle. Next, how you write C? B, C, D. Next, how you write D? C, D, A. So these are the angles. Coming to sides. Sides are nothing but line segments. Okay. So four sides you are having AB, BC, CD, DA. These are the four sides. Four line segments are known as four sides of a quadrilateral. Next, coming to diagonals. What are diagonals, children? Diagonals are nothing but the line segment joining opposite vertices. So these are the opposite, no? A and C and D and B are the opposite vertices. So a line segment joining opposite vertices is called diagonal. So how many diagonals quadrilateral has now? Only two diagonals, that is AC and BD. So these are the diagonals. Coming to next, we are going to write adjacent sides. Adjacent means what? Side to side, okay, having common vertex. Here we will get four pairs of adjacent sides here. Like AB is adjacent to BC. Next BC is adjacent to CD. CD is adjacent to DA. DA is adjacent to AB. So you will get four pairs. That is AB is adjacent to BC. Right. Next BC is adjacent to CD. I am writing one pair in bracket, children. Next CD is adjacent to DA. Next DA is adjacent to AB. So total you are going to get four pairs of adjacent sides. Next is adjacent angles. So you can write angles either in three letters or with single letter. So here angle A and angle B are in adjacent angles. Okay. Next angle B, angle C are adjacent. Next angle C, angle D are adjacent. Next angle D and angle A are adjacent. If you want to write in three letters, you can write, children. Here angle A can be written as how? Angle A can be written as DAB. Angle B can be written as ABC. Similarly, angle B can be written as ABC. Angle C can be written as BCD. Similarly, next angle C can be written as BCD. D can be written as CDA. Next angle D can be written as CDA. Next A can be written as DAB. Okay. So total we are going to get four pairs of adjacent angles. Next, coming to opposite sides. So adjacent sides you will get four pairs, but opposite sides you will get only two. That is AB is opposite to DC and AD is opposite to BC. So total only two pairs. AB and DC are opposite sides. Next AD and BC are opposite sides. Next, coming to opposite angles. Opposite angles. You know, angle A is opposite to angle C, angle B is opposite to angle D. So angle A and angle C are opposite angles and angle B and angle D are opposite angles. So you can write the single letters with key letters, children, or angle A can be written as how? DAB. DAB, comma. Next angle C can be written as BCD. Next B and D. What is B? ABC comma angle ABC comma what is D? Angle CDA. So these are the opposite angles.